Good afternoon, everybody. Today I am going to discuss about the interface in Java. So in interface is a blueprint of a class. It has a no static, constant, and abstract methods. In interface, it is a mechanism to achieve the abstractions. So there can be only the abstract methods in Java interface, not methods. Not method body. It is used to achieve the abstractions and multiple inheritance in Java. In other words, you can use the you can say that the interface can be have abstract methods and variables. It cannot be have a method body. A Java interface also represents the is a relationship set. It cannot be instantiated just like the abstract class. Since Java 8, we have default and static methods in an interface. Since Java 9, we can have private methods in an interface. So why we have used a Java interface? There are mainly three reasons to use Java interface. There are given below. One is it is used to achieve the abstractions. By interface, we can support the functionality of the multiple inheritance. It can be used to achieve loose couplings. So what is SQL? So SQL is a standard language for dealing the relationship database. So here the how to declare the interface. So interface is declared. They are going to declare with the keyword as interface. It provides local abstractions. It means all the methods in interface are declared within the empty body, and all the fields are public, static, and final by default. The class represents an interface must implement all the methods declared in the interface. So syntax is interface name. So interface name, declare constant fields, declare methods that abstract by default. Example, interface animal, void eat and void sleep, close. See this, declare the constant fields, declare the methods that abstract by default. So this is the interface example. So internal addition by the compiler. So how the interface works? The Java compiler adds a public and abstract keywords before the interface methods. So moreover, it adds a public, static, and final keywords before using the data members. See this interface printable int min equal to 5 void print. If it is typing if it is executing this like this, after compilation it will be public static final min int min equal to 5 and public abstract void print will be shown. The printable class. It's a printable class. A relationship between the classes and interfaces. A class extends another class, a class extends another interface, but a class implements an interface. A class can be extends another class, a class can be implements interface, and an interface can be extends interface. Interface. So Java interface examples. In this example, the printable interface has only one method and it is implementations is provided in A6 classes. So see this example, interface example .java, interface printable. So void print, inside the void print, we have to define it. So class interface example implements printable, public void print, system.out.println of hello, the public static void main of string arguments. Interface example obj equal to new interface example obj.print. So the print here the obj the print means it will be open as public allow will be printing. Second example is interface by first user. The interface drawable, so void draw. So by second user, the class rectangle implements drawable. So class rectangle can implement drawable. Class circle can implement drawable. So both the class can be used by the draw method, which can be implements here. See this draw method in this rectangle. In the draw rectangle will be printing. In this circle, the draw circle will be printing. So class test interface 1 public static void main of string arguments, drawable d equal to new circle of. So in this scenario, the object is provided by the method. Example, get drawable. So get drawable drawable d equal to new circle of. So new circle of D dot draw. So the output will be this draw rectangle and draw circle. So here this interface bank. So float is the float is the float rate of interest. Yes, class SBA implements bank. Public float rate of interest written 9.15 float. Public class PNB implements bank float of rate of interest 9.7 F. So class test interface 2 public static void main of string arguments. So bank B equal to new SB of string RBA equal to ROB equal to plus B dot rate of interest. So why multiple intents in Java? So he see this interface. Then if class implements multiple interfaces, or interface extends multiple interfaces, this will be multiple interfaces. An interface can extends multiple interfaces. It is known as multiple inheritance in Java. So here the interface printable, void print, interface showable, void show, interface printable, interface showable. So both interface is there. Class A implements printable, global showable. So void print show and void print show print. So system router printer of yellow and welcome. So public static void mean A7 object equal to A names obj.print obj.show. So hello will be there, print welcome will be there. So multiple intent is not supported in through with class in Java, but it is possible by an interface. Why? So here the multiple intent is not supported in the class because they are often ambiguity. However, it isn't supported in case of an interface because there is no ambiguity. It is supported. Its implementation is provided by the implementation of the class. So here interface printable, void print, interface showable, void print. Class test interface 3 implements printable, showable, void public void print system.out print hello. Public static void main of string args. Test interface 3 obj equal to new test interface 3 obj.print.